SoFi, your all-in-one finance friend, but is it for you? Ever feel like you're juggling a million financial accounts? Student loans here, credit card there, investment app collecting dust, been there. If you're nodding your head frantically, companies like SoFi promise a one-stop shop for all your financial needs. But before you dive headfirst, a crucial question: is SoFi even available in your country? Let's unpack the nitty-gritty of SoFi's reach and see if it fits your financial globe-trotting dreams. The American dream of finance. SoFi, short for social finance, boasts a shiny suite of financial tools. We're talking student loan refinancing, mortgages, personal loans, investing, and even a debit card. Sounds like a financial fortress, right? Well, there's a catch, and it's a big one. SoFi is an American company, through and through. Their website, mobile app, and all those fancy features? Built for the US market. So if you're chilling in Paris or sipping tea in Tokyo, you might be out of luck. International transactions? Not quite. Now, here's a twist. While SoFi itself isn't available internationally, their debit card, issued through MasterCard, can be used in over 130 countries. So, you can technically swipe your SoFi card in Bangkok or Buenos Aires. But there are limitations. You can't open a SoFi account from outside the US. That means topping up your card, managing investments, or applying for loans, all off limits. Plus, any international transactions might incur foreign exchange fees. SoFi's future, global expansion on the horizon? The world of finance is a complex beast, and regulations vary wildly between countries. SoFi might be a US giant, but navigating international markets is a whole other ball game. That said, there are whispers of SoFi exploring international expansion. They've dabbled in partnerships before, offering crypto trading through Coinbase, which they later shut down. So, the possibility of SoFi venturing beyond US borders isn't entirely out of the question. The takeaway: for now, SoFi stays stateside. So, the answer is clear. As of today, SoFi is primarily for US residents. Their features and services are tailored to the American financial landscape. But hey, the world is constantly changing, and the fintech industry is no exception. Keep an eye on SoFi; they might surprise us with a global takeover in the future. But for now, if you're living outside the US, SoFi might not be the financial BFF you were looking for. Don't fret though, there are plenty of fantastic fintech options out there catering to international users. Do your research, find a platform that works for your location, and watch your financial future flourish. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.